also welcome to Gordon Guitar. YEMI ALADE here for the first time, I believe. Fake Friends. So this is a cool song here, nice to play. A little different here with the melody, but with the strumming and what's going on there, you get the cool vibes here from this African rhythm. So let's take a look at these notes here. It's based upon 3 different chords. It's the E. I go with the A sus and the B sus as well. So 3 easy chords. No need for any cape on this one. So let's take a look at the chords first. We have the E first played, open E, second A, second D, first G, open B, and open E. We have the A sus next. So that is open A, second D, second G, and then open B and open E. And then we end with this bar chord, the B sus. It's a bar placed on the 2nd fret, and you bar all strings except for the last E here in the bass, so 5 strings from bottom up, like that. And then we have to add 4th on D and 4th on G. Alright, so this is the bass, E, A, and B. So the notes here for E goes like this. So you hold the chord if you want, as it is, but you don't really need to hold full chord, just like that, okay? So that is open E, then 2 times on the 2nd A, and then 2nd D. You play that for 4 rounds, so. Okay, then you shift to the A chord here, and you're gonna play for 2 rounds. So that is open A, then 2 times on the 2nd D, and 1 time on the 2nd G. All right, so that round you play for 2 times, so. And then you shift to the B sus chord, hold that as it is if you wish, and you're gonna play this. Okay, so 1 round is 2nd on the A string, then 2 times on the 4th D string, and 1 time on the 4th G string. That round you play for 2 times as well, so. And that ends the melody, so 1 round of the melody goes like this. Nice. Let's take a look finally at the strumming pattern here. We'll go back to the chords now. You need to hold them as they are. And we'll look at the E now, starting chord. And 1 string around will be like this. Okay, so that is down, up, clap, down. Down, and then up, clap, down. You're gonna follow the same amounts of strumming rounds as you did for the picking round. So E4, A2, and B2. And it goes like this. So the final strumming round I did there, I stayed with my strumming here on the bass strings to simulate some of the notes that you find there in the melody. So that's up to you guys if you want to play the full downstrokes here or just try to point out the notes there for melody. Anyway, this is YEMI ALADE's Fake Friends. You're going to play that through the entire song. And yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed this, all my real friends. Thank you for watching and for supporting me here on Gordon Guitar. And until next time, Play tune.